Good evening traders, welcome to the Indus Trader. In this video I gonna to share my view on Bank Nifty prediction for tomorrow. Before starting, let me open the Bank Nifty chart. It is on the daily time frame, and here if you observe today's candle, it closed as it formed just as a hammer candle. And also if you observe here where the market got the rejection, it's a previous resistance, and as we know, once the resistance is broken, then it becomes a support. It acts as a support. So now this level acts as a support for the Bank Nifty, and it also got the rejection from this level, which indicates that Bank Nifty is respecting this level. Not only these two reasons, I have one more reason behind it, taking this as an important support for the Bank Nifty. Let me also explain you that. For that simple, I have taken Bank Nifty Fibonacci, and I have applied from this low to this high, and you can see here 1.2, 0.2 key level. And also let me also apply the trend based FIB extension, and if you apply over here, you can see 161 percentage as well as 0.2. Two levels are forming at one level, and that is the previous resistance. Let me clear it and draw again for you. This level is very important because we have three valid evidence. One is it's forming a Fibonacci cluster, as well as it's also a previous resistance which is acting as a support now, and also a hammer candle, and we got a rejection from the downside, so which indicates there might be a chance it's respecting this level. So let me also shift to lower time frames and show you that. If you shift to the lower time frame, you can clearly see that Bank Nifty have formed a channel, and if the channel breaks, and sorry, if the channel breaks, then there is a key level 38,079. And if you want to know how this level we have found, just let me know in the comment section. Definitely I will make a dedicated video on how to find these levels. And then after, if this breaks tomorrow session, then obviously we can go for a long position, and we can get the target around 38,370, because 38,370 is very key resistance. It's also I found through the Fibonacci 0.6 level. If you want to know how this is resistant, definitely let me know through the comment sections. Tomorrow I'm gonna to release how to use the Fibonacci, and how to find the clusters, and I will make a dedicated video for you guys. So if it not breaks this, then the scenario completely makes you differ. You have to plan your trades according to this channel, because if it failed to break the channel, then obviously there is only one option. It will travel in this channel, and obviously you have to find according to your levels. Like you are, if it comes to support, then you plan some long option. If it get to and the top and get some rejection candles according to candlesticks, if you get some levels, then obviously you can go for short. But my view is like it's completely depends upon the market opening, and my view is like if it breaks 38,000, definitely we are going for take it a long position in the pullback, and we will make some half profit booking, or like you can say you can book full profits at 38,370. And before that, let me show you my telegram channel. The Indus traders, our team handles this channel. And also, if you, I think you can see it. Let me also show you by minimizing it. Just a while, guys. Yes, here we go. I have minimized it for you guys. So here you can see today in the market hours, you can see the time even 12:50. We have shared a chart Showing this, it may form a head and shoulder, and then after we have again done multi time frame analysis, and then we have find out in 10 minutes we have said it's gonna to break the neckline, and you can see as the result. And so if you want all the live updates, and if we have even given the book profit, and see how we have find these levels, which also we have find out through some Fibonacci trick, and we also going to definitely share all these tricks once we get. And tomorrow analysis we have, before the video I have explained everything in these levels. If you don't want to miss any opportunity, any jackpot trades, then obviously you should be in our Telegram channel, and you can also follow us through our social media networks. All links are given in the description, so don't miss and be a part of the Indus Trader. And hope you see you in the next video, guys, in the morning itself. And it's completely free. We share every level, every aspect, not only this. And if let me show you properly. If you click on our channel, and if you go to the files or photos, you can see there are bunch of photos which gives you lots of knowledge. And if you click on that, trust me, it's going to be help your trading much better. You can see bank nifty, we have given the levels, and we usually share our positions. We And demand zone of nifty, you can currently track this level even. It's also a cluster, and we are very confident on this bank nifty 50, where it can take the reversal from here. So you can also check over all the photos in the channel. There are bunch of photos which helps you for a lot of learning. You can see what is this rally patterns, trend lines, demand zones, and lots more to go, and a long way to go, you guys. And join our journey, and be profitable trader. Have a safe trading tomorrow, and see you in the next video at the same time tomorrow. Thank you so much.